What's going on YouTube? This is DJ Kicks here coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a detailed review of the just released Air Jordan 1 in the Obsidian and UNC colorway. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so got the box right here. You can see the classic Nike on the front of the Air Jordan 1 box. For this shoe, the actual color code and naming is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the Sail, Obsidian, and UNC blue colorway. Picked these up in a size 9 and retail was $160. Actually was able to pick these up on a raffle from my local Jimmy Jazz. So that rare raffle win for me definitely made me feel good about that for sure. So definitely was appreciative of Jimmy Jazz for picking me. That hardly ever happens for raffles with me, but definitely was able to get these and I'm definitely happy about it. So let's go ahead and take this lid off here, get this thing out the way, and then give you guys a little look here at the shoes. So right here, boom, here it is, the Air Jordan 1 in the Obsidian and UNC blue colorway. This thing is fire. The color blocking on this shoe is awesome. I mean, anything with that UNC blue, especially slapping it on such a classic model, just makes it look so dope. This thing is just crazy cool, man. With that UNC blue in the back, with the Obsidian going to the front there, and then with the sail there on the side. The color blocking on this is A1. First thoughts on the quality, they're actually pretty good. The side panel here on the sail actually has a pretty good tumble to it, so you can see here the tumble is actually pretty good on these guys. Pretty soft leather on that side panel. Toe box leather is decent. I wouldn't call it the softest in the world, but it's not bad. And then the leather here on the University Blue here on the collar is pretty plush as well. I would compare this to probably like the release of the Royals back in 2017. Pretty good quality. I don't really see any like glue stains or anything like that from just quick glances, so that's always good. And then for all you sneakerheads, you already know, got to get the smell on these guys. That classic Jordan 1 smell. It's like crack, man. I mean, just like picking up a pair of fresh Jordan 1s and getting that smell, nothing beats it. I'm just joking, but if you're a sneakerhead, you already know what's going on. But like I said, with these guys, definitely a dope pair of shoes. I want to get into a detailed look so that way you guys can see the close-up details, see what you're going to be either paying resale for, or hopefully maybe you already copped and just want to get another person's opinions on them. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into that detailed look. Alright, so taking a quick glance here at the front side of these shoes here, you can see that UNC blue colorway in the back with the Obsidian on the collar going down into the Nike swoosh and then onto the toe part of the shoe. You can see the sail portion as well on the toe box, and then going in here to the bottom of the shoe, you can see that Obsidian blue colorway. Now diving into a closer look at the front here of the shoes, you can see that Obsidian on the toe. That is a great looking color, especially with the sail. Definitely good color blocking on this colorway. You can go up here and see to the tongue that Nike Air with that UNC blue on the Obsidian background there staring at you, and the sail color there on the tongue. This does come with the Obsidian laces as well as a pack of UNC laces. So taking a closer look here at the side panel of the shoe, taking a close look at this part of the toe where the Obsidian color is. You can see that color does go throughout the Nike swoosh as well as the eyelets on the side. Going in here to the back panel of the shoe where you see that UNC blue with the Air Jordan Wings logo and the Obsidian sitting on top of the collar there. You can also see the Obsidian color on the collar going down to the eyelets as well. The color blocking on this shoe is definitely great with that Sail, Obsidian, and UNC on the back. Definitely A1, I would say, on the color blocking on this classic looking shoe. Now diving into a closer look here at the back of the shoes, you can see that UNC staring at you, the UNC blue with the sail on the midsole here, going up into that Obsidian part, sail, and then more of the UNC blue in the collar, and then as well as the Obsidian right there by the sock liner. You can see from both angles of these shoes that the color blocking on this is definitely great. Definitely a classic look. Taking a closer look here on the inside of the shoes, you can see that color going into the Obsidian on the Nike swoosh and then breaking it up there with that sail on the side panel. Taking a look here at the bottom outsole of these shoes, it is a single colored outsole with that Obsidian staring at you with the Nike symbol right there in the middle. This Obsidian color is definitely one that is dope and definitely makes that UNC color pop even more. Now taking a closer look at the guts of the shoe on the inside there on the insole, you can see the Nike Air staring at you in that UNC blue with the Obsidian as well on there. And then as you can see, a little bit more of a closer look here at that insole, that Obsidian all the way through with the Nike Air staring at you in the face. Alright, so that is going to wrap up the detailed look on the shoe. Like I was saying before, this thing is dope, man. These are straight fire in my opinion. The color blocking on these Jordan 1s is just, it's awesome, man. It's a great pair of shoes. Anything Air Jordan 1 really is dope. I mean, every colorway they come out is usually pretty cool, especially with hitting it with this UNC, you know, that classic looking UNC blue. Definitely gives you those UNC vibes from when Michael Jordan played for North Carolina. So definitely loving the look of this shoe for sure. I will be rocking this. I don't have time to do it on feet today just because it's a little bit late. I was a little bit late on getting this video out, but we'll do that definitely for sure soon. But this has been the unboxing and the detailed look of the Air Jordan 1 and the Obsidian and UNC blue colorway. I hope this video helps you guys out in determining if you wanted to cop these for resale. I don't think the resale prices are going to be all that high right now. I think they're at about like $350 for the size 9 on StockX. Probably get them cheaper, you know, on like Facebook groups or anything like that. But I wouldn't wait around on these guys. I wouldn't try to put it off and see if they drop because I don't think they're going to be dropping. I think these are going to be doing nothing but going up, especially with it being an Air Jordan 1. Air Jordan 1s have been skyrocketing in price, so I would try to scoop these up as quickly as possible. So again, thank you guys for watching the video. I really hope you like it. Definitely smash that like button for me so that way I know that you guys are liking the content that I'm putting out. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you guys actually were able to pick these shoes up, if you struck out, or if you're going to be waiting around and paying resale. Either way, leave me a comment below, especially tell me you know, if you like the video. And then definitely subscribe to the channel for more. This is what we do, unboxings, sneaker reviews, all that good stuff. I appreciate all the people that have subscribed to me for sure. This has been DJ Kicks, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.